here I'm going to do a quick example of writing an equation of a parabola from a graph. So on this graph we have a parabola drawn. The first thing to notice is that it's actually opening up sideways. And anytime we have a parabola opening up sideways, that means the equation is going to be x equals. So anytime it's horizontally opening up, whether it's going to the left or to the right, it's going to be x equals. The next thing to notice is the distance between the vertex and the focus. So if I look at where the vertex is on the x-axis here, I'll notice that the vertex is at 4 and the focus is at 6. So I know there's a distance of 2 between those two. If you recall, normally our equations for a horizontal parabola are x equals a times y squared, and a equals 1 over 4 times p, where p is this distance between the vertex and the focus. So right now we have that distance is 2, so I know my a has to be 1 over 4 times 2, so a has to equal 1/8. Okay? The next thing to notice is where the vertex itself is at. So the vertex right now, like I said, is over 4 and it's up 1. So my vertex is at 4, comma 1. And then I just need to go ahead and plug these values in. So if I look at my equation, I'm going to get x equals, and then instead of a, I want to plug what a is equal to, so 1/8. And then it's going to be y, but y has been moved up 1, so it's got to be the opposite. It's got to be a -1 on the inside squared. And then the x value has been moved +4, so it needs to be a +4 on the outside. Always remember that whatever we plug on the inside of parentheses will switch signs, it'll become negative, and then whatever's on the outside will remain positive. So this would be the equation for this parabola.